guys. That's it. I think this whole intro stuff, I'll have to cut it out because you guys seeing me. I've been speaking for like what a minute, only to realize that my damn microphone was not even plugged in. Anyway, what's crack? What's the king of the universe? Panaka Kamano. Welcome to Mozambique Music, a platform where we react to the music to like copy, break down, American get the message behind the song. Give positive feedback, inspire us. Basically, post on toxins and contact. Guys, we are officially 19 subscribers away from 900. We almost there. We almost there. We almost there. So, you guys are seeing this on a Wednesday. It's a Sunday. It's the day after good, and I'm just waiting for videos to flock in. At the moment, I only got one. Talk about it. It's a Sunday, right? It is a Sunday, and I've seen uh, I've seen one video. I've seen one video, and we're gonna have to wait and see Gucci what this week has for us. Of course, I'll be checking all the Zion platforms, and in case if I miss it, even if you do have something on your TikTok, let me know. Let me know. So we are reacting to River of Mercy Ministries. Guys, wow, what a weekend. Anyway, without wasting guys, I'm just dive right into it. Actually, guys, I know I said you guys are seeing this on a Wednesday. Nah, I think I'm going to move this to on Monday, which is tomorrow. Nah, y'all have to see this. Nah, fam, y'all have to see this. y'all have got to see this. No, fam, y'all have got to see it. Believe you me, man, it's code 10 and the rest can deliver. This is what we're talking about. This is trust the river to do their job. And I also saw something. Hey, TikTok has been blowing up, bro. So I don't know who. I didn't really check out the full video, but I think they just bought open shop a car. I think it's the Audi, bro. Oh my god! I was like, what? I saw it. Yeah, it's an Audi, bro. I'm like, yo, what is going on? nevertheless, nevertheless, trust the river to deliver, bro. Trust them. I ain't gonna lie. Code 10 is short. She's really short, guys. I ain't teasing you, I'm just saying. You are really short, mama. Bruh. Oh, this I think what? This is the second Good Friday. all right, that we're gonna cover on this channel. And then as my good, I try to cover as much churches as I even go overboard to even dropping on the weekend. I normally don't do that because I for weekends I just want to chill and just make sure I am ahead with my content and understand. I might make an exception. I don't know. So born. I don't know. All I know is I'm always ahead with my content. So boy. All I'm saying is, woo, hey. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. Ay. Yeah. I Rivancelinyi album. Let's drop another album. I would like to react to your album. This man. I think it's the other guy. I don't know this lady's name, ne? I've known her from videos. I've seen her once or twice, 3, 4 times in my life as a kid, for my events when my mom used to church a river, bro. Bro, this lady, I expect her to deliver, bro. Without a doubt, she's gonna go down as one of the best backer slash soprano to have ever existed. Zion, say what you want to say. Nah, fam. You can give a lot of people credit. You should give her credit too, bro. And because she can ride that wave, bro. No questions asked. She's there. I remember, I think last year she was sick or something, so she really didn't sing that much the year before. Because I think she was sick. You could see she was visibly sick. Yeah, I understand. Maybe it could be sinuses. I don't know. But last year she didn't really do much. You can go and check out my video. I said River last year. You could see she was, from my point of view, she looked sick. This year she's like, nah, fam. She's like, nah, last year I took a back seat. This year I am leading the convoy. Clearly. I am scared, bro. Nah, I look, guys. I've been on TikTok the whole weekend. Nah, I've seen uh six, six, seven. Yeah, literally like 6, 7 churches. Right? I can't pronounce that. Saku what something, man. This church is from Katlehong, that side, right? River, Manzokpila, Mtombokpila, Revival, um, uh, this other church, Cross, what is, guys? Bafaka green na Bolavanta. Like then high placing man. Like their name is here, but man at home. I saw it was blah, blah. Yeah, I know it's a 7. What's the name of this church? I'm so sorry, guys. Like literally, hi man, what's the name of it? And I was just watching it just now before Nizo record. What's the name of this church? No, not believers. Bafaka green enough. But simply sing as believers. It's big, but it's not big, but it's big. Oh my god. One of the branches la. Isi Kanye isi Nkonya isi something K, yeah, that one. Isi something, I can't pronounce a word. It's something because Z2 kunabo ise ba ithuanga kwazi ba pronounce. But bona one of them is like Mden. La. Those are the 7 changes I was seeing in that weekend, right? And I'm like, mm, 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 mm. Now I'm seeing this. I'm scared. You understand? And I know people know that this channel exists. Give me the videos. This to your soul. This to your soul. This one. Ay, ay. Ay, enquanto estresse, get stressed, I get stressed, guys. I am stressed. Ooh, it's going to be late. Sazoba late, sazoba night, sazoba enough, and it is gonna be late, bro. Guys. But anyway, we are both. Me, I'm here to put you on. Understand? So now we get put on again. In the favorite word of the Jupiter, me, I am signing out. Adios, danke.